Ever wondered how to navigate the maze of wires and brackets that is braces when it comes to teeth cleaning? It's like a complex puzzle that needs to be solved, right? Well, fear not, because today, that puzzle is about to get a whole lot easier. First things first, gather the essentials. A soft bristled toothbrush, fluoride toothpaste, a floss threader, dental floss, and an interdental brush are the tools of the trade. Begin with a toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to the gums. Brush along the top and bottom of the braces, focusing on each tooth. Take your time, because haste makes waste, especially in oral hygiene. Now, brush the brackets and wires, gently ensuring all plaque and food particles are removed. Then, it's time for the fluoride toothpaste. Apply a pea-sized amount to the brush and start brushing. Remember, gentle circular motions are the way to go. Cover all areas, the outer surface of your teeth, the inner surface, and don't forget the chewing surface. The next step is flossing. This is where the floss threader comes into play. Thread the floss through the threader and use it to get the floss behind the wire. Gently move the floss up and down between the teeth, taking care not to apply too much pressure on the wire. Repeat this for each space between your teeth. Lastly, the interdental brush comes into action. This nifty little tool is perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach spots in your braces. Simply insert the brush gently between the braces and the teeth and move it back and forth. That's it. A comprehensive yet simple routine to keep your teeth sparkling clean while wearing braces. In summary, the key points to remember are: use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste for brushing. Always brush at a 45-degree angle to the gums, covering all areas of the teeth. Flossing is crucial. Use a floss threader to get the floss behind the wire and gently clean between the teeth. An interdental brush is your best friend for cleaning those tricky spots in your braces. Remember, maintaining good oral hygiene with braces may seem like a daunting task, but with a bit of patience and practice, it becomes second nature. So fear not the wires and brackets, because now you have the knowledge to keep that smile bright and healthy.